Hey everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In today's video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to open Google Form link in Chrome. Whether you're having trouble accessing the form or just want to ensure it opens in the right browser, we've got you covered. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech guides. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, locate the Google Form link you want to open. It might be shared via email, a website, or a message. Click and drag to highlight the entire link, then right-click on it and select Copy. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on Mac to copy the link. Step 2. Now open Google Chrome on your device. Click on the address bar at the top of the browser. Right-click and choose Paste or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V, Windows, or Command-V, Mac, to paste the Google Form link. Step 3. After pasting the link, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will load the Google Form in Chrome, allowing you to view and fill it out. If the page doesn't load, check your internet connection or ensure the link is correct. And that's it. You've successfully opened a Google Form link in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.